In this lab, we're trying to figure out how to properly perform gel electrophoresis and to learn about the PTC gene and how it is cut and how it moves along the gel. I've learned a few new skills in this lab. I learned how to properly use a micropipette, including like all the guidelines using like don't hold it horizontally. I learned that I really learned the importance of like not using the same tips because it could cause cross contamination, and I also learned how to properly use a gel to show DNA moving along the lanes of the gel. So there are 5 sources of experimental errors that could have contained. One of them was using one tip multiple times, which could cause the contaminated DNA, which is another error. You could puncture the gel with the tip of the micropipette. You could accidentally touch some of the stuff with fingers, which could also lead to cross-contamination. And you could inject too much liquid into the lanes of the gel, which would make it overflow, and it wouldn't work properly. And I think the experiment went pretty well for me. Our gel turned out really nicely, so that was good. I felt like I was able to really like see what was happening with my DNA, and I like being hands-on with it. And if I did this again, I would have been more careful putting my undigested sample in because I punctured it. I'd read every step twice because I felt confused on some of the things, but I did feel like I did pretty well overall.